People are literally turning their garages into mini factories, making up to $1,000 a day, with just one simple machine. Want in? Here are 20 small factory ideas you can start right at home. Let's go! 3D printing services are rapidly growing, with the global market expected to reach $32 billion by 2025. That means huge potential for anyone running a home-based printing setup. With a good desktop 3D printer, you can become the go-to person for hobbyists, inventors, and small businesses looking for custom parts or prototypes. Your startup gear is simple: a solid FDM or resin printer, different printing materials, and access to design software. Clients send you their files, everything from replacement household parts to custom figurines. And the best part? This business scales easily. You can operate several printers at once, turning your workspace into a mini production hub. Premium candle making is a powerful business opportunity. The candle market brings in more than $3 billion each year in the US, and here's the surprising part: about 65% of sales happen year-round, not just during the holidays. To start your own candle-making setup, you only need basic wax melting tools, quality molds, wicks, and premium fragrances. The process is simple. Melt the wax, mix in your signature scents and colors, pour it into containers, and let everything set. The real difference between a hobbyist and a successful candle brand comes down to one thing: fragrance. Scent is what drives customer buying decisions more than anything else. If you focus on crafting unique fragrance blends that tell a story, you can create candles that people are willing to pay top dollar for. Organic pet treats are a fast-growing market, with pet owners spending over $7 billion a year, especially on natural, premium quality snacks. You can start your own pet treat production right from your kitchen using basic ovens or dehydrators, mixing tools, and simple packaging supplies. Make recipes with clean, healthy ingredients like oat flour, pumpkin, and peanut butter, and avoid anything artificial. Baked dog biscuits and dehydrated meat treats are great beginner products. Be sure to check your state's pet food regulations. Many areas allow home-based pet treat businesses with just a basic registration. Package your treats in attractive, resealable containers with clear ingredient lists. Then sell through local pet stores, farmers markets, and online groups where pet owners are actively searching for healthier options. Custom phone case manufacturing is a booming opportunity. The global smartphone accessories market reached $25 billion in 2024, with custom cases being one of the top sellers. To start your own phone case production setup, you'll need blank cases for popular models, printing equipment like a sublimation machine or UV printer, and design software. You can add custom graphics, photos, and text using heat transfer method, or upgrade to direct UV printing for a higher-end finish. The real key is focusing on niche markets: school logos, family photos, profession-based designs, local trends, or viral memes. Every new phone release brings fresh demand for new case styles. Always prioritize durability by using UV-resistant inks and proper sealing. This ensures your designs stay vibrant and keeps customers coming back. Custom sock manufacturing is a fast-growing industry. The novelty sock market hit $4.5 billion in 2024 and is expected to surpass $7 billion by 2033. Buyers today love personalized socks, funny patterns, themed designs, and even faces or pet portraits printed on them. You can enter this business in two ways: use compact circular knitting machines to create socks from scratch, or buy blank socks and decorate them with sublimation printing. Face socks, pet-themed designs, and profession-based styles perform extremely well online. If you choose printing, you'll need sublimation equipment and polyester sock blanks. If you prefer knitting, you'll need yarn supplies and pattern creation skills. The key to success is producing eye-catching designs and using quality materials that ensure comfort. When your socks look unique and feel great, customers keep coming back. Custom t-shirt printing is booming thanks to the growing demand for personalized clothing and event merchandise. To launch your t-shirt production setup, you'll need a heat press, vinyl cutters or transfer materials, blank shirts, and some basic design skills. Heat transfer vinyl gives you durable, professional-looking prints, while sublimation delivers bright, permanent designs. For big batches with the same artwork, screen printing becomes the most efficient option. Focus on local clients, sports teams, schools, family events, and small businesses that need promotional gear. The secret to success is producing high-quality prints that stay vibrant even after many washes. Build strong connections with event planners and community groups to create steady, repeat business. Planter manufacturing is booming, especially with 66% of American households owning houseplants. You can create planters in several ways: wooden planters made with basic woodworking tools, concrete planters using molds and mixers, or upcycled containers turned into stylish plant holders. Wooden planters attract buyers who love rustic or eco-friendly designs, while concrete planters offer a sleek, modern look that's perfect for succulents and minimalist decor. Focus on features that make your planters stand out, like good drainage, water retention designs, or artistic shapes. Using reclaimed wood adds sustainability and gives each piece unique character. Just remember that concrete work needs proper ventilation and safe material handling. Sell your creations through plant shops, craft markets, and online platforms, highlighting both their functionality and visual appeal. Eco-friendly bag production is booming as plastic bag bans continue to spread. The reusable bag market reached $12 billion in 2025 and is growing at about 8% every year. To start your own bag-making operation, you'll need industrial sewing machines, sustainable fabrics like organic cotton or recycled polyester, and reliable cutting tools for consistent output. Begin with simple tote bags made from 2 fabric panels and strong handles, then expand into more specialized designs. You can also add custom prints or business logos to increase value and attract clients. Highlight the environmental impact. Each reusable bag can replace thousands of plastic bags over its lifetime. Your best customers will be eco-minded shoppers and local businesses looking for branded, reusable bags for their stores or promotional events. 11. Injection molding small parts is now more accessible than ever. With desktop injection molding machines costing under $400, you can bring real manufacturing power into a home workshop. When paired with 3D printing for mold creation, you can produce small plastic items like custom knobs, clips, replacement parts, and toy components. Your setup only needs the molding machine, plastic pellets, and the ability to create molds using 3D printing or machining. This method fills the gap between single 3D printed parts and full-scale mass production, making it ideal for short runs of durable, functional pieces. Your best customers will be inventors who need prototypes, hobbyists looking for specific components, and locals who need replacement parts that are no longer available. Custom label manufacturing is a strong business opportunity. Small businesses and event planners constantly need personalized labels, yet most big printing companies ignore small orders. The professional printing industry is worth over $50 billion, leaving plenty of room for small, flexible operators. To start your label production setup, you'll need high-resolution printers, different label materials, design software, and possibly a vinyl cutter for unique shapes. Your customers include local makers, bakeries, event planners, and small brands that need professional quality labels in small batches. Everything from wedding favors to farmers market products depends on attractive, well-designed labeling. Offer specialty options like waterproof labels, custom die-cut shapes, and fast turnaround, services big print shops don't usually provide. Prioritize accuracy and quality, because smudged or misaligned labels can damage both your client's branding and your own reputation. Snack dehydrator manufacturing is a growing opportunity as the healthy snack market reached $95 billion in 2023. Consumers are increasingly choosing preservative-free, natural snacks, and dehydration allows you to create exactly that. With food dehydrators, you can produce gourmet dried fruits, vegetable chips, and specialty jerky. Popular products include apple chips, mango slices, kale chips, and seasoned veggie mixes, perfect for health-minded shoppers. Partnering with local farms gives you access to fresh, high-quality produce at wholesale prices. The workflow is simple: slice, season, dehydrate overnight, and package the snacks in moisture-proof containers. Be sure to review your state's cottage food laws. Many allow small-scale dried fruit production from home. To stand out, focus on unique flavor blends and premium packaging that lets you charge higher prices in health-focused markets. Ultrasonic welding assembly is a high-value niche service. It uses high-frequency vibrations to instantly bond materials without glue or fasteners, making it ideal for specialized manufacturing. To get started, you'll need a benchtop ultrasonic welder, proper fixtures, and different horn attachments for various applications. This technology is excellent for sealing plastic housings, bonding non-woven fabrics, and assembling components for medical devices or electronics. You can market your services to local manufacturers, inventors, and product developers who need small-scale, precise assembly work. Ultrasonic welding creates airtight, waterproof seals, perfect for protective cases and durable enclosures. Because this service requires skill and has little competition, it commands premium pricing. Quilting machine services are in high demand, with 9 to 11 million active quilters in the U.S. Many quilters can sew quilt tops but don't have the time or equipment to do the final quilting work. That's where a long-arm quilting machine comes in. Your setup becomes the finishing solution they need. These machines let you stitch large quilt layers smoothly while creating beautiful, detailed patterns. You can offer custom quilting, memory quilts made from t-shirts or baby clothes, and even full quilt creation from start to finish. Promote your services through fabric shops, quilting groups, and online quilting communities, where people are always looking for dependable finishing help. Build strong connections in the quilting world to gain steady referrals and repeat customers, especially from collectors and gift makers. Spice grinding is a strong business opportunity in a global market worth $29 billion. More consumers are turning to freshly ground, artisanal blends rather than old, mass-produced seasoning. To start your spice grinding operation, you'll need heavy-duty grinders, fine sieves for consistent texture, precise scales for accurate mixing, and airtight containers for storage. Buy high-quality whole spices in bulk, then roast and grind them fresh for maximum flavor and aroma. Create your own signature blends, custom curry powders, barbecue rubs, or seasonal mixes that stand out. The smell alone can attract customers at farmers markets. Focus on cultural or specialty cuisines that aren't widely available in your area. Offering authentic, hard-to-find spice blends can bring in both home cooks and local restaurants looking for quality flavors. Metal spinning workshops turn flat metal discs into 3D shapes like bowls, lampshades, and industrial components using specialized lathes and forming tools. This traditional craft caters to niche markets often ignored by mass production. Your workshop needs a metal spinning lathe, forming tools, safety gear, and sheets of metals such as aluminum, copper, or brass. The process spins the metal at high speeds while shaping it over mandrels with hand tools. Ideal clients include custom car enthusiasts, lighting designers, and industrial businesses that require small runs of precision-formed metal parts. Screen printing operations are thriving, with the custom screen printing market hitting $5.5 billion in 2024. Demand continues to grow for custom apparel, promotional items, and artistic prints. To start your screen printing setup, you'll need screens, squeegees, inks, and curing equipment, all in a well-ventilated workspace. The process includes making photosensitive stencils, pushing ink through the screens, and heat curing each print for long-lasting results. Water-based inks are a great starting point because they're easier to use at home and more eco-friendly. Your best customers will be local bands, sports teams, small businesses, and event organizers who need custom merchandise in smaller quantities, orders that big print shops often ignore. Screen printing offers brighter colors and better durability than many digital methods, making it ideal for bold graphics and limited color designs that highlight your creativity. Glass fusing studios tap into the $6.8 billion art glass market, where handcrafted fused glass pieces fetch premium prices for their beauty and craftsmanship. To start, you'll need an electric kiln that reaches 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit, compatible art glass, cutting tools, and proper safety gear. You can create jewelry, decorative plates, sun catchers, and artistic tiles by layering colored glass and fusing it through controlled heating cycles. Each piece is unique, attracting customers who want one-of-a-kind decor and gifts. Sell your creations at art fairs, galleries, and online platforms where handcrafted items command top prices. Offering custom designs and seasonal pieces helps build a loyal customer base that values artistic glasswork. Thermoforming packaging solutions are in high demand, with the global market surpassing $50 billion. Many small product makers struggle to find affordable, professional packaging. A thermoforming setup uses vacuum forming machines to shape heated plastic sheets over molds, producing blister packs, trays, and protective packaging. To start, you'll need a tabletop vacuum former, thermoplastic sheets, and mold-making materials like wood or 3D printed forms. Your customers can include local artisans, electronics producers, and food businesses that need small batch packaging. By creating custom molds for unique product shapes, you offer personalized solutions that help small businesses compete with larger brands. Traditional pottery workshops remain timeless, as more consumers seek artisanal pieces over mass-produced ceramics for their homes and dining. To get started, you'll need a potter's wheel, kiln, clay, glazes, and basic shaping tools. You can create functional items like mugs, bowls, and planters, as well as decorative pieces that highlight your artistic style. The production cycle, throwing, trimming, drying, bisque firing, glazing, and final firing, takes time but results in durable, valuable creation. Focus on functional items with food-safe glazes, emphasizing the handmade quality and uniqueness that mass-produced products can't match. Sell through craft fairs, online shops, and even offer pottery classes to generate extra revenue and build loyal customer relationships. 2. Ceramic 3D printing blends advanced technology with traditional pottery, tapping into a market growing nearly 30% annually. To start, you'll need a ceramic 3D printer, clay materials, and a kiln for firing. This setup allows you to produce intricate vases, architectural tiles, custom dinnerware, and sculptural pieces that are impossible to make by hand. Your ideal clients include architects seeking custom tiles, artists exploring complex geometries, and consumers looking for personalized ceramic items. The process involves printing with clay paste, slow drying to prevent cracks, and firing for durability. Target design professionals, artists, and affluent buyers who appreciate unique, technologically crafted ceramics. That wraps up our 20 small factory business ideas for your next venture. If you found this video inspiring, share it with a friend or family member who's eager to start something of their own but wants to begin small. And be sure to join our free business community to connect with like-minded entrepreneurs.